In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo of MusicLM. MusicLM is a new experimental AI tool from Google that can turn your text descriptions into music. In this video, I have logged into the AI test kitchen of Google and I will put the link into video's description. And in this test kitchen, I am trying to experiment with this MusicLM. So let's get right into it. As you can see on this screen, there is a text box. Let me write a text and then I will let MusicLM to convert that text into a music. I'm asking it to give me a romantic ghazal for a first date. Ghazal is a type of musical melody from Pakistan and India and very famous. Anyway, so let me click here and what this MusicLM will do, it will create two tracks and then we can play those tracks to see what happens. Okay, so both of the tracks have finished now. Now, and you have already listened to them, you can give trophy to either one of them on the basis of your likeness. So I will give the trophy to this track, and this means that this is Music LM will improve on this feedback. Now let's try out something else. Let's try to give a name of a particular singer to see if it produces something or not. I'm asking it to give me a song in the voice of Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, who is a famous Pakistani singer. Let's see. Okay, so it refused. So it seems that it is intelligent enough to not to produce a song in the voice of a particular singer because of likely, of course, due to the copyright issue. Let's try with the name of Lata, who is a legendary Indian singer. Again, it didn't work for Lata. Funnily enough, when I tried it this morning, it was able to give me a song in the voice of Lata, so it made a mistake. And we call it hallucinations in that terms of AI. But I think it has learned from that feedback and it hasn't produced it. Let's try one last one. So there is an old Pakistani singer, Noor Jahan. Let's see if it works for her or not. No, it didn't. That's cool. Okay, so it's not giving me the voices of those singers. But anyway, you can see that how cool is that you can try various things. Still, I agree the quality is not that good. It is still learning very early days, but I am more than sure that with the passage of time, the quality of this music produced by Music LM will increase. I'm very keen to learn about your thoughts. Thank you.